Hi, welcome to Basic Chemistry. Today we will discuss about the important reaction of cyclohexane derivatives. And you can say this is the second part of NGP type reaction. Okay, so there is four cases. Case 1 where OH and bromine is antiposition and both are in axial. So in case A, both in axial and both are in trans. Okay. In case B, OH and bromine is in cis and OH in equatorial and bromine in axial. In case C, where OH and B are in cis position but OH in axial and B are in equatorial. And case D, where OH and bromine both are equatorial but trans. Okay, all do not give the same product. As you have seen in the product side, they give different type of product. So we have to just explain why those are happening. So let's start with case A. Where Br and OH both are in trans position and both are axial. In this case, at presence of base, it just take the proton of this alcoholic proton and generate a negative charge over there, and you can see the leaving group is directly anti-position to this neighboring group, right? So it is a proper orientation, or you can say proper conformation to undergo this type of NGP and forming a epoxide. Okay, as these epoxide are generating from above the plane, if this OH remains in equatorial position, then that will be a below the plane, but as it is attacking from the axial position and you are looking from the above, therefore this is above the plane epoxide and it is cis with this pH group, right, which is also above the plane. Okay, and it gives, if we draw in planar, it gives this type of product, right? Now at presence of silver plus Ag2O, where this is a source of Ag plus, at presence of Ag plus, it also helps to withdrawing the leaving group Br minus and gives AgBr and generate a positive charge over there. Therefore the attacking of this OH phenol is favorable and gives similar type of product, right? In case B, in this case the OH is in equatorial and bromine is in axial and the pH is in equatorial and the OH and Br is in cis manner. In this case, at presence of base OH minus, it will form this type of intermediate where O minus H Br, right? Now after forming of that, you can see this O minus is not properly oriented conformation, because O minus and bromine is not properly in anti manner. Okay, therefore there will not be the same reaction as previous. So in this case the H is properly anti position with respect to this bromine, therefore there will be hydrate transfer type reaction. This O minus will get back over there and this hydrogen will transfer 1 to carbon and eliminate bromine minus bromide and gives this type of product. You can also explain this OH minus takes the hydrogen due to this hydrogen is more acidic in this system due to presence of OH over there, and after taking this hydrogen they are just elimination reaction after forming this type of double bond, it just enol and it undergo keto-enol tautomerism and give the same product as like this. Okay. So when in case of B we get this type of product, right? Now let's discuss in case of C. In case C, this is similar as previous. In this case, the OH and Br similarly cease position with each other, and OH is axial and Br is in equatorial. At presence of base or silver plus ion, basically at presence of base, it will give this type of intermediate, but you can see there is no hydrogen, or the leaving group is not antiposition with this type of neighboring group, right? And there is no chance of hydrogen elimination over there. But we have to remember that there is another possibility of this type of structure, just flipping. After flipping, it will give like this product, where phenyl will go in equatorial axial position, which is very unfavorable, and Br will go axial, and this minus will go in equatorial position. Okay, this is very less populated because this phenyl and bromine is in same position. There is a strong interaction, and moreover both are in axial. There is a strong syn diaxial interaction. But in this case, at this particular conformation, hydrogen transfer, 1 to hydrogen transfer is possible, because in this conformation the leaving group and the hydride is in exactly antiposition. So this conformation gives this type of product as previous, but the rate is very slow than previous, because this type of conformation is very unstable, and this is a RDA step, and this is a irreversible process. This is reversible process. Therefore, if there is the population is low, so no problem, the rate will be slow, but the reaction will happen, because the reaction is slow, but this step is reversible. After forming this type of structure, it will undergo to product, and some of this structure again will convert to this structure according to Lasartelier principle, and again this amount of intermediate will undergo this type of product. Gradually this type of reaction will go on, right? Similarly, at presence of Ag plus, it will go similar way, just there will be AgBr precipitate. It will generate a positive center. It will be the driving force of hydride transfer. Now if we discuss case D, this is the most vital case. In case of D, now there is two question. There is different product at presence of base and at presence silver plus. Okay, now at presence of base, it will take the proton and form this type of intermediate, O minus Br pH. Okay, and in presence of silver plus, there will be a intermediate like this, O minus plus, and there will be a precipitate of AgBr, but there is a little different. In case intermediate B, and this is intermediate A, in case intermediate B, there you can see there is not the hydrogen is anti position with this Br. If I discuss about the transition state, so this was in equatorial, therefore the hydrogen is not anti to this leaving group, and nor the O minus is anti to this leaving group. They are in, both are equatorial. But in this case, the bond can easily migrate, and this plus positive charge help to migrate this bond and ring contraction happens and 6-member ring become a 5-member ring and gives this type of product. Okay, you can say there also can be this type of migration, but this is not possible in this case, because in this case there the OH and the Br form a strong hydrogen bonding, which is not possible in above cases. Therefore, acid base reaction is little difficult over there. Therefore, it is very hard to take this proton from there. Okay. Therefore, at presence of base, it will not form intermediate A. Only acid base reaction can occur when this cyclohexane ring just get flipped and form this type of in this type of conformation. This is unstable, but in this conformation only reaction can undergo, right? And as previous case, this conformation will be very less populated, but after that this bromide and this O minus is anti-periplanar, therefore they will give this type of epoxide, and in this case you can see the epoxide ring is forming from below the plane. Therefore, the structure will be like this. As previous, this is RDS and this is irreversible step. Therefore, according to La Chatelier principle, the only product will be this. There will be no this product because due to strong hydrogen bonding. Okay, but at presence of silver plus, this bromine is not further available for this type of hydrogen bonding. So therefore, the ring contraction can happen in case B. Okay, in above cases, equatorial position of that phenyl ring was stable. Therefore, most of the cases we have discussed the product where the phenyl ring is in the equatorial position. Okay, but where there is no group in equatorial, if we take this type of example, okay, in this case if we add NaNO2 HCl, we all know there will be N2 plus, which is strong leaving group. In this case there will be both product because it will randomly flip, and the flipping version also will be stable due to anomeric effect. I will discuss that kind of effect. So don't think both are axial, therefore this is unstable from that. Not, it is also stable due to anomeric effect. I will discuss on that. Okay, after forming this type of intermediate, this is also will give this type of intermediate N2 plus strong leaving group and OH. Okay, now in this case this bond is anti with this NO2 leaving group. So in this case there will be ring contraction reaction, bond shift, bond migration. Therefore, we will get this type of product from this case, and from there we will get the epoxide, and now the epoxide from above the plane. So the product will be like this, right? Because this case no phenyl group to lock the conformation, therefore both product is possible. I think you have understand this concept properly. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more further video. Thank you very much.